Hi students, today we will see a question related to tautomerism. Tautomerism is a structural isomerism, otherwise called desmotropism. Desmotropism. Tautomerism or desmotropism is a special kind of rearrangement where a sigma bond, CH sigma bond, changes to C, a pi bond between two atoms, and at the same time hydrogen shifts from carbon to a more electron negative atom like oxygen. See, look here, this kind of structure where this CH bond become a double bond, and at the same time this bond get connected to hydrogen, so that a double bond has been established and a new YH group has been presented. This is the general form. The most common tautomerism is seen in the case of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones show aldo-enol tautomerism or keto-enol tautomerism. We will see that. And another set of compound which shows tautomerism is nitroalkanes. There the tautomerism is called acinitrotautomerism. Aldo-enol tautomerism is there, keto-enol tautomerism is there, acinitrotautomerism is there, and hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen isocyanide tautomerism is there. Unlike other isomerisms, here the two isomers coexist in a non-separable dynamic equilibrium. You cannot separate the keto form or the enol form alone. They coexist. They are existing there, but we cannot isolate them or separate them. Due to this reason, tautomerism is also known as dynamic isomerism. Dynamic isomerism. We will see one by one. Before taking this complicated one, we will see the simple one first. See CS3CO CS3. CH2, one H has been shown separately. H. Here what happens? This CH bond become a double bond over here, and at the same time this oxygen detach from this carbon and accept this hydrogen. A cyclic process whereby it changes to this is the keto form, and that is the enol form. Enol because it is having a double bond as well as hydroxyl group. That's why it is called an enol. Definitely the equilibrium is far towards the left, means far towards the keto form, which is highly stable. Enol is only namesake, but it exists. That's the thing. Okay, that's keto-enol tautomerism. Likewise, aldehydes can also tautomerize. Then it is called aldo-enol tautomerism. Then nitroalkane can also tautomerize. For example, CH3NO2. This is a nitro group. Here, similar thing happen. This bond changes to a double bond over carbon and nitrogen, and at the same time oxygen detaches connection, the pi bond connection with the nitrogen, and accepts that hydrogen like this in a cyclic manner. NOHO. This is the popular nitro form, and the other is called Ac form. It is called a C form because it has slight acidic character, because this hydrogen is ionizable to some extent. That's why nitromethane, nitroethane, etc. have some acidic character due to its tautomerization to this C form, which can act as a weak acid. Okay, that is called acenitrotautomerism. And the other one, HCN, hydrogen cyanide. It's an individual case, not a group. HCN can tautomerize to hydrogen isocyanide. That is a third individual case tautomerism. Hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen isocyanide tautomerism. Okay. That was the introduction. Now we will see regarding this. Look here. Here the carbonyl group, it must have a alpha hydrogen, then only it can tautomerize. As we have seen in all the examples I have written, there must be an alpha hydrogen. Only if such a thing is there, it can tautomerize. Look here. Here this alpha carbon has both hydrogen, both methyl group. So there is no alpha hydrogen on that side. But you have to verify the other side also. Here there is an alpha hydrogen which has not yet been shown. But even though there is a hydrogen there, it cannot tautomerize because see, due to ring strain, it is a bicyclo compound. If at all it forms, if theoretically it may tautomerize, but practically it is not happening because high ring strain. If it happens like, if it comes like, changes like this, there will be high ring strain. So such a thing will not happen. So we can say that this will not tautomerize. Now come over here. Look here. If it tautomerize, there is an alpha hydrogen, here there is an alpha hydrogen. But if it tautomerize, bridging carbon centers never take part in tautomerism. That you have to remember. Bridging carbon centers will not take part in tautomerism. So this cannot tautomerize. Even though theoretically you can draw like this with satisfying all the valencies, that's possible, but practically it never happens. So this will also cannot tautomerize. Of course, you have to remember, if it were something like this, then with this carbon side, then it can tautomerize. But here it is like this, so it cannot tautomerize. What about this? See, here one C2H5 is there, one hydrogen is also there. So it can tautomerize. It can tautomerize like this. Okay, that can tautomerize. So this is our first answer. This is a nitro compound, 2-nitropropane. It can tautomerize like this. Double bond and OHO. So that's an answer. This can also tautomerize like this. It is not a bridging carbon. It is not a bridging carbon. It is a carbon on the cyclic ring. That's all. It is not a bridging carbon, so it can also tautomerize. Of course, you have to remember this cannot tautomerize. Because even though there is alpha carbon, there is no hydrogen on it. That means there is no alpha hydrogen. So that compound cannot tautomerize. Hope you understood that. Okay.